Hello students, I welcome you all in this video. In this video, we are going to learn about SYGC secretarial practice. We have already completed our first chapter, that is Introduction to Corporate Finance, and then we have started with the second chapter, that is Sources of Corporate Finance, and almost we have completed all questions in chapter number 2. We are just left with distinguish between. So in this video, we are going to talk about distinguish. There are total 3 is there in chapter number 2. So we are going to discuss first distinguish in this video, that is shares and debenture. ओके सो जिसने भी बेसिक किया होगा शेयर्स का एंड डिबेंचर्स का, जो 3 वीडियोस मैंने बेसिक्स की डाले थे उसके अंदर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन अबाउट शेयर्स एंड डिबेंचर्स आल्सो. ओके तो वो बेसिक्स ही इज गोइंग टू हेल्प नाउ, क्योंकि आपको अगर बेसिक समझा होगा तो यू विल बी एबल टू रिमेंबर ऑल द पॉइंट्स विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो. Now, number one, when you talk about shares, so share is nothing but the part of share capital of a company. Okay, and the person who purchases the equity share of the company, that person is known as owner of the company. All right, and when you talk about debenture, so debenture is nothing but the loan taken by the company from the investors. Okay, and the person who purchased the debenture, that person is known as debenture holders, and debenture holders are the creators of the company. ऑलराइट, तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमको जो बेसिक में हमने डिस्कस किया था, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अगेन. क्लियर? लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. So as you can see here, point number one, that is meaning. Let's see the meaning of share first. A share is a part of share capital of a company. It is known as ownership securities. We all know share is nothing but the part of share capital. Share is a part of share capital, and it is known as ownership securities, because the person who purchases the share of the company, that person is known as owner of the company. Clear? Now let's talk about debenture. Debenture is a certificate of loan taken by a company. They are also known as creditorship securities. So we all know debenture is a loan taken from the investors to the company, and the person who purchases the debenture, that person is known as debenture holder, and debenture holders are the creditors of the company. Alright, that is why it is creditorship securities. Clear? Now, point number two, status. A holder of share is the owner of company. The holder of share is the owner of company. Therefore, share capital is own capital. We all know share is a own fund and reserve is also a own fund, but we are talking about shares only. So we can say share is a own fund, own capital to the company. Let's talk about debenture now. A company of debenture is creator of the company. A holder of debenture is creator of the company. Debenture capital is loan capital or borrowed capital. Okay, so share is a own capital and debenture is a borrowed capital. Okay, it's a loan capital. All right. So why it is loan? Because company have to repay the amount to the debenture holder after a certain period of time. Okay, जिसको repay करना होता है वो हमारा कौन होता है? Creditor होता है. Clear? Now let's talk about point number 3, nature. It is permanent capital. Okay, we all know it's a own capital. Once company receive the money by issuing the shares, so it will stay in a company permanently. Clear? It is not repaid during the lifetime of the company. जब तक कि कंपनी का लाइफ होता है तब तक ये रीपे नहीं होता है. That is why we call it as a own capital. It is temporary capital. Generally, it is repaid after a specific period. Okay, it is temporary capital. Why? Because company have to repay the amount after a certain period of time. Point number 4 देखते हैं, voting rights. Shareholders being owner enjoy normal voting rights in general meeting. They participate in the management of the company. They having a voting rights. Even they can participate in the management of the company also. ये सारी चीजें हमने डिस्कस किया है पहले के वीडियोस में भी. Let's talk about debenture now. Debenture holders being creditors do not have any voting rights. They do not have any voting rights. Okay, यहाँ पे इनको voting right नहीं होता है. They cannot participate in the management of the company. They can't even participate in the management of the company. But when you talk about shareholders, they can participate. They having a voting rights. Even they can participate in the management of the company also. Clear? So point number 5, return on investment. Return on share is called dividend. Okay, ये हमने पहले भी देखा था. When you talk about profit of shareholders, so that profit will be known as dividend. And when you talk about debentures profit, so डिबेंचर होल्डर्स रिसीव द प्रॉफिट इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. ओके, तो यहाँ पे होगा डिविडेंड, तो यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट आएगा, वो देखेंगे आगे. रिटर्न ऑन शेयर इज कॉल्ड डिविडेंड. इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर्स receive dividend at fluctuating rate, whereas preference shareholders receive dividend at fixed rate. Okay, when you talk about equity shareholders dividend, so it is fluctuating rate of dividend. When you talk about preference shares dividend, so the dividend is fixed dividend, fixed rate of dividend received by the preference shareholders. All right. डिबेंचर का देखते हैं अभी. रिटर्न ऑन डिबेंचर इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. ओके, इट इज फिक्स्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ इशू. सो कंपनी हैव टू फिक्स्ड व्हाइल कंपनी इशूइंग अ डिबेंचर्स. द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट कंपनी हैव टू फिक्स्ड or company have to write in the prospectus. Interest is paid even when company has no profit. That means it is a fixed. Okay, so in any condition company have to repay the amount to the debenture holders. Okay, if company earn profit but still company have to pay interest to the debenture holder. If company occurred loss, in such case company again have to pay the interest to the debenture holders. Okay, अच्छा नहीं पे किया तो, अगर कंपनी ने अगर पैसा नहीं पे किया तो, इंटरेस्ट पे नहीं किया डिबेंचर होल्डर को, तो क्या होगा? देन कंपनी लाइबल टू पे द पेनल्टी. और जो डिबेंचर होल्डर्स होते हैं उनका चार्ज होता है एसेट्स के ऊपर, प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर कंपनी की. सो इफ अ कंपनी फेल टू रीपे द अमाउंट टू द डिबेंचर होल्डर, इन दिस केस डिबेंचर होल्डर सेल्स द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द कंपनी एंड रिकवर देयर मनी. ओके, वो कंपनी का प्रॉपर्टी बेच देंगे और अपना पैसा वो लोग उससे निकाल लेंगे. क्लियर? Point number 6, security. Share capital is unsecured capital. It is unsecured capital. No security is offered to the shareholder. हमने देखा है कंपनी earn high amount of profit, equity shareholder receive the high amount of dividend. If company earn less amount of profit, equity shareholder receive the less amount of profit. If company occurred loss, company को loss होता है, in such case equity shareholder must have to bear the loss as well. Clear? Debenture capital being loan capital is secured by creating a charge on company's property. Okay, that means debenture holder का charge होता है. They having the charge on company's property, assets of the company. Clear? So in any case, if a company fail to repay the amount or fail to give the interest to the debenture holder, in this case debenture holder can sell the property of the company and they can take their money. All right. Now let's talk about point number 7. Time of issue. Shares are issued in the initial stages of the company formation. That means when new company come in a market, so first that company issue shares only. Okay, so it is also known as initial stage of the company. Okay. Now let's talk about debentures. Debentures are issued at a later stage. Okay, फर्स्ट स्टेज पे क्या इशू हुआ? शेयर इशू हुआ इनिशियल स्टेज पे. उसके बाद में क्या इशू कर सकती है कंपनी? एंड देन कंपनी कैन इशू डिबेंचर. ओके, so that is why it is called as later stage, when the company has properties to offer as security. ओके, तो नया कंपनी के पास इतना प्रॉपर्टी होता नहीं है, इतना उनके पास मनी होता नहीं है. So at that stage they can issue only shares, but after a certain period of time when they earn a good amount of profit, जब उनके पास ज़्यादा security होगा, assets होगा, and then they can issue debenture also in a market. Now, suitability. Shares are suitable for long term finance. ओके, ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे आगे पीछे हो गया है, तो ये कंटिन्यू है. ओके, यहाँ पे भी ये कंटिन्यू है. So share are suitable for long-term finance because it's a own fund to the company. It stays permanently in a company. That is why it is long-term finance. And when you talk about debenture, so we all know debenture. When a company take money from the debenture holders, so company have to pay the money after a certain period of time. So you can say medium term के लिए company पैसा लेती है. Debentures are suitable for medium term finance. Alright, so it's a medium term finance. ये है लॉन्ग टर्म फाइनेंस, शेयर लॉन्ग टर्म फाइनेंस एंड डिबेंचर मीडियम टर्म फाइनेंस. क्लियर? ये भी यहाँ पे कंटिन्यू है. लेट्स सी पॉइंट नंबर 9 नाउ. It is very easy. When you talk about types, so there are two types of shares, equity shares and preference shares. But when you talk about types of debentures, so there are total 8 types. Let's see all the debentures. Registered debentures, bearer debentures, secured debentures, unsecured debentures, redeemable debenture, irredeemable debenture, convertible debenture, एंड नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स। ओके, ये सारी चीज़ों को मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है पुराने वीडियोस में। अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखा होगा, सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू वॉच दोस वीडियोस एंड देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द एंटायर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ डिबेंचर। ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पॉइंट नंबर 10, लास्ट पॉइंट, पोजीशन ऑन लिक्विडेशन। ओके, लिक्विडेशन मीन्स व्हाट? जब कंपनी बंद हो जाएगा, ओके, वाइंडिंग अप होगा कंपनी का, लिक्विडेशन होगा, तभी लिक्विडेशन का मतलब होता है कंपनी को बंद होना, लास्ट डेट जब कंपनी का चलता है उसको बोलते हैं। ऑन लिक्विडेशन ऑफ अ कंपनी, शेयर होल्डर्स रैंक लास्ट इन द लिस्ट ऑफ क्लेमेंट्स। लिक्विडेशन जब कंपनी बंद होगा तो शेयर होल्डर्स का रैंक जो है, उनका जो नंबर है, वो एकदम लास्ट में आएगा टू रीपे द अमाउंट। क्लियर? सर अगर लास्ट में कुछ भी नहीं बचा पैसा, तो अगर लास्ट में कुछ भी नहीं बचा तो दे विल नॉट रिसीव एनीथिंग। ओके, शेयर होल्डर्स को उनका पैसा रिटर्न नहीं मिलेगा। क्लियर? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट डिबेंचर नाउ। डिबेंचर होल्डर्स बीइंग क्रेडिटर्स, दे आर द क्रेडिटर्स वी ऑल नो, रैंक प्रायर टू द शेयर होल्डर्स फॉर रीपेमेंट ऑन लिक्विडेशन ऑफ कंपनी। सो they are the creditors of the company and they having a fixed period. That means after a certain period of time, company have to repay the amount to the debenture holder in any case. Okay, so that is why company pay first to the debenture holder and then to the shareholders. Okay, तो पहला नंबर किसको पैसा मिलता है उसका? डिबेंचर होल्डर्स को पहला पैसे मिलता है, उसके बाद में किसको मिलता है? उसके बाद में शेयर होल्डर्स को मिलता है। क्लियर? तो टोटल 10 पॉइंट से इट इज वेरी इजी एंड वेरी सिंपल, आई कैन से, बिकॉज हमने जो बेसिक्स पढ़ा है ये सारा का सारा बेसिक्स ही है हमारा। ओके, बट स्टिल इफ यू फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग so you can ask me in a comment section. Okay, and now prepare your notes, and if you have any doubt you can ask me again and again. Okay students, so till then, thank you very much.